Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Noman and today is the fresh video for beginners graphic design. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now in the first video, remember I changed the font size of the text by clicking on this T letter and then I chose a color here. But what if you have a project? For that project, your client has sent you some specific colors and he or she told you to only use their desired color. For that you can make a preset yourself like this. Alright, let's double click on this T letter. Click here. Now just click on one of these and the font color is changed. Repeat the process for all of your texts and done. Let's see you on the next video.